Hello guys, welcome to the first video in this course, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to Express.js. So you might find me saying Express.js and Node.js multiple times in this video because actually Express.js is a framework that is used in Node.js. Both are JavaScript frameworks. So Node.js is a server-side um, JavaScript, a server-side language for JavaScript, while Express.js is a framework that is used on Node.js. So you might find me saying Node.js and Express.js multiple or a couple of times during this course. So just have it in mind that this course is targeted toward learning the Express framework while we're using Node.js also during this course. So that's about that. So what is Express, or what is Express.js? What do we use the framework for? So to explain that, I'm going to head over to their website expressjs.com. So it's a website for the framework. So and as you can see, it's a fast, unopinionated, minimalist web framework for Node.js. So it's actually a web framework that is used to build or to help build a backend service, or a server side code um, with Node.js. So it is used along with Node.js, and there are a couple of things that you can use Express.js for. You can use it for building web applications. You can use it for building APIs and other things, among other things. And it's also very known for the performance and other frameworks that are depending on Express too. So there are quite a number of frameworks available on NPM that are actually dependent on Express. So Express is very good, very easy to learn for beginners, and it's also a very powerful tool to have in your toolbox if you're a web developer. So in this course, I'm going to show you how to use Express, or how to use Express.js to build these two things, the web applications and also an API. So that being said, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your environment or your PC to be able to start working on an Express project. So until then, please do well to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. And also remember to click the notification icon so that you get updated for every new video that I release. So I'll see you in the next video.